Before adding individual episodes, we first need to create a podcast series to organize them properly. So go to your WordPress dashboard. Here is the dashboard. Hover over to in the post section. Here is the podcast series. Click on it. Here enter the series name, right? So for example, we are going to launch a show. So this is the series name, and we have to add episodes later on. But first, let's organize it in a series, right? We can leave it as blank, or we can add the slug by adding the same name, right? So just copy and paste here. Okay. Now, brief description will help the series to understand what this series is all about, right? So just write a brief description. Here is the description, and let's click on add podcast series. And here you can see that the series name, the post-worthy show, has been added with the description and slug. And as usual, the episodes or the posts will appear here. The numbers will be added, right? Now we have a structured postcard series ready. Next, let's create a category for it. Okay, adding a category for the postcard series can help in organizing podcast content based on themes or topics. So go to the post and then click on categories. So let's enter the same category name. You can set a parent category if you need, but let's create a new parent category as we are making a new category. So let's leave it as it is, and then write down the description. So here is the description, and click on add new category. So we have a category, a description, slug, and we have a podcast series, and we have a podcast series over here, right? Now that we have a series and category, let's add an actual podcast episode, right? So again, we will go to the post and click on add new. Here, enter the title for the episode. So let's title as episode 01. In the main content area, write an engaging episode description that includes a short introduction to the episode, like what is this episode about, and key discussion points, like like what points have been discussed in this podcast series. Key discussion points. Call to action button or subscribe button for more, right? Under the podcast series section, select the series you created earlier, right? So let's find out. This is the category sections. So we have added this category. Click on it, and now again this is the podcast series, post worthy show. Let's type it. Here it is, the post worthy show. And now it has been categorized and added to the podcast series. Tags option, you can add tags for better searchability, right? So let's write down the post. For example, I am adding the sleep the sleep edits. So these are the tags which will help us for better searchability or engine optimization, right? Now let's upload the audio file for this podcast episode. Now click on add media, then upload your mp3 file or paste an external audio link from Spotify, SoundCloud, or a podcast hosting platform. Okay. So here is the option of adding an audio from your local computer, right? So just click on just type down the audio, and you can see you have the option of adding and upload a media library or insert from URL, right? So uploading, click on upload. Here is your local computer. Your saved audio will be uploaded from here, right? Just click on this and it will be uploaded. Now your podcast has been added to your post from your local computer. You can add audio, video from your local computer, from Spotify, from any outside link. So here are many options, right? You can see the Spotify embed. If you click on this, and you can go to your Spotify episodes, just click on these three dots, copy public link to episode, and paste it here. Now here is the embedded file from Spotify, right? Just click on this blank area and you will get this plus icon, right? So just add it from, even add from YouTube, so you can embed your videos from YouTube. Okay, just in case you have a video podcast, so you can add it from here. I'm just copying this video and embedding it from the YouTube. So I have added this podcast. I have added this video from my YouTube channel, right? So you can add audio, video files from many external links, right? Now, if you want to delete any part of it, you can delete this section by clicking on these three dots and then click on delete, right? It will be deleted from your post. Now that the audio is added, let's make our post visually appealing. So just click on here, insert feature image, upload it from your local computer, and set as a feature image, right? Now the image has been added. Now in the JNews section, under the general type, it can be added as a standard post, a gallery, a video post. So it is now we can edit as a. You can also edit the header template, custom template for the podcast or the any post that you want to add, right? The single post block layout, right? Single post share position. The share buttons will be displayed in the bottom. Show category. So there are many options you can check, and then let's go to override image size. These are the image dimensions. Training post. You can edit this post to a trending post, right, in your on your website. Sponsored post, you can also add it as a sponsored post. Ad option, you can add it as an ad on your post, right? So there are plenty of options. You can check on it and then click on right. There is an option of podcast, so you can podcast post, you can enable it, write down the duration. The It is 608, so and just like copy and paste it to here. The media URL, right? And then and also you can add the podcast series. So search for the series that you have created. So let's type in the post what you show, right? Now as we have added all the information, you are ready to publish it. Okay, there is a plus button over here, so you can add as many. You can make your post most appealing by adding these options. It will show up here when you hover over it. At the right side, a sample format will be shown over here. So there is a button, there is a breadcrumb, advanced video, accordion, and you scroll down. You can add Google Maps, forms. There are plenty of options you can add to make your post appealing, right? Now, if you are satisfied with your post, let's preview and publish it, right? Let's click on this publish button again, and you can see that the post has been published, and you can click this icon to view this post. Here it is, the Sleepy Rates episode 1. Okay, on the home page you can see that this post has been added to your home page. The episode has been added to your home page, right? Here you can see that the series that we have created is hereby listed, the post what they show, right? And it is in the feature podcast, so you can see that this series has been listed over here, and episode 1 has been added over here. This is the title and the description of the series, a button to subscribe this series, right? If he add another episode, it will be listed over here. Now your postcard episode is live under this series, the post what they show, in the same category that we have created, right? Now if you want to update your episode, just click on it. This is the episode that you want to update, right? You want to add more addition, like you want to add text or images or anything that you want. So just click on that episode and then click on edit post. Now you can see that the post you have created is here again for editing, so you can edit anything you want, right? Okay, this media URL and all these settings are connected to a Blueberry account, right? A Blueberry account is a podcast hosting service, and here you can see that there are many packages. There are different packages, monthly and yearly. So $120 per year is a standard hosting service, and it provides only 125 MB of your storage. So it's better to go for the free version in the beginning, okay? And the free version is Spotify. So just create an account in Spotify, and here you can add unlimited audio files and copy the link of episodes that you have created like this, and embed it to the post that you want to ad, right? Okay, before wrapping up, here are some final tips to make your podcast series stand out. Use consistent branding for feature image. Optimize the titles and descriptions for SEO. The titles, like this is the title and these are the description. Organize podcasts and under clear categories and series. And that's it. Now you know how to create a podcast series, categorize it, add and update podcast episodes, and configure JNews settings for the best experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, your comments will be highly valuable. And if you have any questions, you can ask. Thanks for watching and happy podcasting.